Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Monica, for those of you that are new here, and welcome. So, I hinted about this last week, and I am so excited to bring you this video. It's awesome. So, as you know, every year around at the beginning of the gardening season, I'm always saying that I'm going to plant a fall garden, and then I never do. And I'll show you why. Because the only place I have to plant a fall garden is in my summer garden. So right now, my garden, like my tomatoes haven't even turned green yet. So there's no place to put my fall crop. But this year, I have a place. So OLLE Gardens, and I will leave all their information down in the description box. They sent me a raised garden bed to review for them. I'm more than happy to do it. This thing, so far, I'm taking off the protective coating. So far, I am so impressed. And I would not say that I was if I wasn't. I'm not getting paid for this, by the way. It is just a review. However, if I find that this is a good deal, because it was a really good price, I will definitely leave the link down below. This came from Amazon, because right now, because they had sent it to me, I got a thing for Prime Day saying that it was severely on sale. So, if it's good, I'm going to get more. But it came in an actually quite small box, about this size. So it came in a box, delivered to my house, yada yada. It has this protective, you can see the bubbles, a protective coating on all these, so that's really nice. And then all the pieces, so we have this size and then two other sizes. Rubber, which is going to be great because it makes it to where the edges are not going to be sharp, which is super nice if you have small kids. And then we just have the screws, and then they also sent me, which I thought was awesome, some OLLE Garden protective gloves for whenever I'm putting this together. So that was super nice of them. But just a little, while I'm getting all this protective coating, saran wrap, taken off, I'll tell you a little bit about them. So this is a 12-in-1 kit. So I will show you a picture here in a second on the box. Actually, there may be one on the instructions. Yeah. So these are all the different ways that you could set this up. It's not just one way. I want to do it one big one, is how I'm going to do it. And there were different sizes on Amazon that you could choose from, but this is corrugated steel that's been coated with zinc aluminum. So it is water resistant, rust resistant, and so it's going to be really nice to have. And then of course I'm super excited about this because my kids are always helping me in the garden, and one of the reasons I haven't gotten a metal one, I have my wood ones, which I'll talk about those in a different video, but the reason I haven't gotten one of these yet is the thought of a rough, sharp edge for me or my kids to get hurt on. So that was something I was really excited about. So I'm going to get all this protective coating taken off, and then I will show you the entire process of putting it together. So I'll leave bookmarks for the different parts of this video if you want to skip around, but I'll be showing how this sets up, because one of the things I want to review on is the ease of setting it up. And then we're also going to be filling it and planting it with fall crop today. So I hope you stick around for the whole thing, because at the end I will be giving my full review on this. Obviously I won't be able to tell you if it's not going to rust or not, if it's going to rust or not. But I'll be able to tell you that next year. But I'll be able to at least tell you the ease, quality, and just how I feel about it. But I will say, like, right this moment, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Okay, so this is apparently going to be super simple to assemble. So another A+. I have my panels separated. I have all that protective coating taken off. And then what's super nice is this kit also comes with the one tool that you will need. Literally, all we have to do is line them up, the sides, into whatever shape we're wanting to make. And you can use just some of these. You can use all of them like I'm going to. It's just whatever size you're wanting to make, and it shows you how to do the panels. But we're wanting to do a long one, such like that. So let's just dive right in and see how long this takes. Okay, so this whole process took about 40 minutes, and that was with all of my quote-unquote help. So with that being said, I think this is very, very easily put together. So now what I'm going to be doing before I put the rubber on, I'm going to be breaking down boxes and putting the cardboard down first, and then I'll put the rubber around because I'm going to be moving it to get the boxes underneath. And then we're going to be adding a bunch of sticks and debris and whatnot, and then lastly our soil, and then we're going to get to planting. But so far the level of putting it together is super, super easy, and it is very sturdy in my opinion. Okay, so slight snag. Okay, so you can see I've started filling it. I am absolutely in love with this. First off, absolutely in love with it. It is honestly everything that I would want in a raised garden bed. But as you can see, it's not full because I ran out of soil. So I will not be planting anything today because I'm gonna have to run to the store and get more soil. So if you want to see what I plant in the OLLE garden bed, go ahead and wait for my next garden update. Should be next week, and I will show you what I'm planting in it. It's going to be all fall crop, but now I will show you, sorry, the sun is right above us. I'm going to show you how to put on the safety rubber that goes all around the top, and then we'll go ahead and end this video. Okay, so you can see that we even have some extra, but that went on super easy. It is very thick rubber, so That's just really nice. So the way that I did mine is I have the two, it came with 4 of the curved ones, 2 longer pieces, or 4 longer pieces like this, and 4 shorter pieces like this. And so I did short, long, long, short, and then 2 of those. And then, like you saw, I did cardboard at the bottom, and then you can do like compost and stuff, but I don't have any. So I just use sticks, and then I'm putting soil on top of that. But my dad just burned a bunch of sticks. I thought I had more, honestly, so that meant I didn't have enough soil, which is perfectly fine. So that's why you won't be seeing me actually using the OLLE garden bed today. But I still wanted to show you the setup and give my review. And like I said, I'm so happy with this. I honestly thought I was going to be getting something pretty cheaply made. And this is definitely not the case. This is excellent quality. It's a great price. It's an excellent price right now because it's Prime Week. So if you are wanting a garden bed, I recommend this. Now again, I don't know how well it is going to stand up to the being water and rust resistant, but I mean, so far it's user friendly, it's easy to assemble, it's children friendly. My 10-year-old was helping me, and my 5-year-olds were helping me, and it also has that rubber that goes all the way around that is good for me and my kids, because I'm prone to just as many accidents. So all in all, I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not started your fall garden yet, I hope this inspires you to put something in the ground. Just because you may not have space in your in-ground garden doesn't mean you can't use a raised bed to do so. So until next time, thanks for watching.